Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Rob and Donna, thank you for having us back. We're coming up close to a year since we finished building your Pondless Waterfall. So what I wanted to do is ask you guys a little bit, just as a follow-up on what it's been like and some of the things that you guys are doing as far as the water feature itself. So my first question is you guys entertain here a lot. Tons of people come through. What do they usually say about this thing?
Right? Yes, yeah, they are. They're blown away by the beauty, and it's something so unique. So many of our neighbors have done, pools or hot tubs, but this is just so unique that everybody that sees it is just really blown away.
I mean, even the neighbors next door, they comment. They have a hot tub in the back, and they comment on how it sounds at night, I mean, we usually turn it off when we go to bed, but they might sit out here, at night.
So they get the benefit of the sound just even next door.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
And then as far as you guys, how are you guys enjoying it? What's your kind of use of the space and what it's done for you living inside and outside?
Well, it's like Donna said, it's completely unique, right? And nobody else is going to have a waterfall exactly like ours. Yeah. We think it's like I think we said before, it's like a piece of art, right? You can see it through the window, you can see it from upstairs, you can see it when you walk in the house.
It's placed. It's placed
really
so
is,
perfect,
yeah.
but I say it so many times, it's framed so nicely from this picture window on the house. I said to Rob, what did we do before this? Because you just stand there all day long. And we have people that come and do spray for pests, every few months. And it's so funny to watch him. When he comes back here, he will just stop and stare at the feature. He says it's just mesmerizing, and it is. We had this hill, and it just was an eyesore, and I'm so happy we kept it to do something like this. And this looks so natural. It looks like it has always belonged there.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think even when we talked about doing the hill, obviously the higher up we went, the harder it was to get those rocks up there, right? But you guys got some pretty big rocks up that hill.
Yeah, for us, that was a testament of the teamwork, putting brains together. Carlos kind of had an idea of how he wanted to do it, and luckily we were able to accomplish getting that Maniacs just up enough to get those bigger rocks. But as far as, is it mostly from the inside that you guys are looking at this thing, or is it mostly outside, 50-50, 70-30?
It's all the above. All the above.
It just depends on the time and the situation.
It's so wonderful.
We sit out here every night.
Right?
Either out here or, we watch TV in the California room.
I love sitting out here and reading and just hearing that. It's just so soothing. It's just very, very soothing.
So as far as maintenance for you guys, what is it like? What did you expect, and what is the actual maintenance on this thing?
Well, I mean, we haven't, other than today, which is, we've had this probably 10 months now, right? I mean, you guys cleaned it, but it wasn't very dirty, right? I mean, there really hasn't been a lot of maintenance at all.
So what is it that you guys physically do anything to it as far as? No, nothing. You've done nothing in 10 months.
I put those Petoskey stones
in there. the cute little stones.
We rearrange stones if
But
we
you guys
need
haven't
to.
had to clean it, fish anything out very much.
I mean, maybe a couple leaves or
Sure.
something, right? And they just gather at the bottom and you just
Pull them
throw
out.
away. But, I mean, we haven't really done anything.
No, and I did have concerns, and I think I asked you when you were, out here and brainstorming with us, but I said, are we going to have to put algae cleaner
Algaecide,
solution
right.
or anything in there? Because sometimes you see in a public place where the water is foamy. It's just been crystal clear. We've had no buildup of any kind, have we, Rob?
No, we
algae,
haven't.
which was my concern.
Other than what you guys did today, we haven't done anything.
So that leads us into the next question for me, because that's usually an instant question or reaction to these things when people are looking at them is it's going to get filled with algae in a month, right? It's kind of that thought. And so there's a couple of ways because this is a pondless waterfall, you have the benefit of being able to turn it on and off as you like. So what is your guys' magic formula for keeping this thing looking so pristine and so little algae? There's almost zero algae except for the parts that the sun doesn't really hit. So there was just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
What's your schedule, and how do you guys keep it so clean looking?
I run it in the morning just because it's a pretty way to start the day. If I'm out doing errands, it's off. If we have company, it's on. And then I turn it on before he gets home from work.
And then it's on until we go to bed,
It's on
right?
till we go to bed.
But you can see it gets it gets like almost total sun all day long, you know?
Yeah.
So when we turn it off, it's, 5 minutes and the rocks are dried out. I think the sun helps, right?
Yeah.
But like you said, we haven't done any maintenance on it at all. We haven't cleaned anything.
What is a normal gap every day that it is off?
5-6 hours.
5 or 6
in the middle-
hours. And just let
middle
the
of the
sun
day.
pound it so
Yeah.
the rocks actually get an opportunity to dry out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they really do dry out, right?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not in some of the lower areas, right? But they're dry in 5 minutes
Yeah.
with the sun. But I would say we run it probably 5 hours, 6 hours a day, right?
Probably, yeah.
On average.
Okay.
Weekends it might be all day long.
Yeah, I thought you guys had it on for like an hour or two a day.
No,
because of how clean it is.
Yeah, no. And like yesterday, it was on almost all day.
What would you say to someone that says, or is thinking, do I really need the lights? What would you guys say to that?
Well, I think the lights are. It looks amazing
It's-
at night.
yeah,
with the lights.
yeah.
And I think you even suggested some of those puck lights that shine up. It's amazing with
It
the
would have
lights.
been a mistake to not have those lights.
Right.
Because it is so beautiful. We sat out here with our neighbors last night with the fire going and the lights going
Right.
over and the water sound. It was just a really, really beautiful night.
I don't remember the quantity, but I remember sending you a text while you were at work. I'm like, Rob, I'm thinking that we need to add more.
Right.
Do you want to add more? It's either add more or I got to take a couple away to just make it really right and balanced. But I'd really recommend, I think I recommended more lights. And
Yeah.
you instantly like, yeah, let's add more lights. Are you happy
Yeah.
with that decision with
For sure.
the number
yeah,
of lights?
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really great.
After you and your crew are here doing the work and seeing how meticulous the whole process was, the building and everything, by then, if you're saying we need more lights, we just had such faith in all of your ideas just because of how we watched this come together. You guys were just so meticulous and did such a beautiful job. And like they say, more lights, we're doing more lights.
Well, thank you for that. Because
Yeah.
it's kind of probably unusual that a contractor's coming back 10 months later and asking you to sit down and you welcome us like friends, right?
Yeah. I just loved having you guys here because you were so meticulous. I remember when you guys left, I said, I'm going to miss you guys. So,
The other thing, and we can't say it for every contractor that we've had here, because when we did some of this stuff, right? I mean, you guys really protected the yard, right? I mean, you can see the grass has come completely back,
Yeah.
right? Where we've had other contractors where they like destroyed
yeah.
plants and just
Yeah.
so I was a little bit nervous about that, having the equipment come back here, but you guys put plywood down and I mean obviously the yard looks really good now.
Yeah.
So we certainly appreciate that.
The cool thing about landscaping and what we kind of do is that they seem to get better with age as things start growing in. Is there, I guess this will lead to my last question, is there anything else you would have had us done differently as far as the water feature?
No, I mean I'm completely happy with what we have. I remember talking to you saying maybe we should add a little pond. I'm glad. I think you kind of talked me out of it. It's a lot more maintenance, or it's more maintenance
Yeah.
than the pondless, right? So yeah, this has been. I don't think I would have added anything. Do you?
I don't think so either. I think another thing, just when you have been back here, whether you have another customer and you wanted to show them our yard, but I feel like you guys all feel such pride in how this came out, and that makes me really happy that you guys feel as happy with the end result as we are.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think that's what it's that passion of the water features and what we're putting in. We care about it. I would guess as much as all of our customers, if not more. A lot of the times we come in, people have an idea, but they don't really know what to expect. And so I think in the back of my mind, Carlos, Fausto, we're always just thinking, how can we maximize whatever we're working with? Because that's the fun of it. It's like we want to walk away proud of the work that
Yeah.
we do.
Yeah.
And so that's why it's quite often, almost every time, we're over budget on labor. But as the person in charge of that is quality for us trumps any kind of profit. That's not what it
and
is about for
we
us.
felt that very much.
Yeah.
And so, we for sure I love coming back to see water features.
Yeah.
And it's a really unique thing that we can come back or we can leave and you're not the only ones to say that we're going to miss you guys.
Yeah.
And you're not the only one that we come back and we get hugs.
Yeah.
Right? Like, and we're just a contractor, but it's that bond, and I think it is our unique way of being able to add something that gives us joy too, and because we put that joy into it, I think people, it resonates with people.
Yeah.
And so it's fun for all of us that way. It's just we're very lucky to be doing something that we love so much that people also appreciate. So
And we get to see it.
yeah, it's the coolest thing. I feel like one of the luckiest people on the planet to be able to have found that for sure.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
sure, because I didn't have that for a long time.
You know, Donna and I always say that we would never hesitate to recommend your team, right, to do a water feature like this.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's the thing I'm trying to keep too. Is like Carlos lives and breathes and bleeds this stuff, right? You just feel Fausto loves what he does. And so we're trying to hire right now, and I'm like, how am I going to find a guy that can fit with this culture, which is really hard, but that's my number one job.
You've got this dream team already.
I got to keep it. So if someone comes in and messes with it, sorry, but it's been challenging. So it's super lucky for many different reasons in this.
It's awesome.
But to have clients like you guys that are so first nice, right? We're lucky to have nice clients, and then that you'll welcome us to your home, and I can send you a quick text, hey, can I bring a customer over? Of course.
Of course.
How cool is that?
Let Donna make sure the house is clean.
I never doubt that it is.
Yeah.
It's one of the most beautiful houses I've ever been in.
You're so sweet.
Especially every time I come back, dude. It's like
Thank you.
it's immaculate.
Yeah.
Immaculate.
Well,
so thank you guys.
Thank
you guys
you.
have no idea how much this all means to us. The things that you've opened your doors to us several times, especially one occasion that didn't go so great. But I so sincerely appreciate you guys and everything that you
We
helped
appreciate
us
you.
with.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.